Israel is vowing an all-out ground assault on Rafah and for the first time issued a deadline. The IDF will move on Rafah by the start of Ramadan unless all Israeli hostages are released. CTV's Adrian Gobriel on this and other developments, including U.S. support for a temporary ceasefire in Gaza.
Guided airstrikes hit 2 buildings in Lebanon. The video shared today by Israel's military claims the targets housed Hezbollah militants. As Israel shows its ability to eliminate direct threats, its bombardment across Gaza is once again a central focus as a new hearing got underway today at the International Court of Justice.
There is no justification or excuse for Israeli colonization, apartheid, and persecution of the Palestinian people. They threaten and violate our common humanity and must end now.
Calling for an immediate end to Israel's occupation, the Palestinian Authority foreign minister laid out his argument as the historic hearing got underway at the United Nations top court.
It's going to be quite an impressive week. We have 52 countries that are going to present oral arguments before the court, as well as 3 organizations representing other groups of states. So it's going to be a week of presenting a huge amount of evidence.
The 7-day hearing is the result of a 2020 request from the UN General Assembly for the court to issue a non-binding advisory opinion on Israel's historic handling of the Palestinian territories.
Whether or not Israel is occupying Palestinian territory or not. And that has been greatly debated, particularly since 2005, since Israel withdrew from Gaza. Scholars have been divided over whether or not that means Gaza has still been occupied or not.
Tensions have been mounting over a potential Israeli ground offensive near Gaza's southern border city of Rafah, where some 1.5 million Palestinians are sheltering. Israel's war cabinet has vowed to expand its military operations into Rafah if Hamas doesn't return all hostages by the start of Ramadan on March 10th.
This all comes today as the U.S. proposed a draft resolution calling for a temporary ceasefire, adding that they oppose any ground offensive in Rafah, concerned it could lead to more deaths. Sandy.
CTV's Adrian Gobriel.